Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Amazon from the long side in my retirement account, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Well, quite the monster movement today, and it was all about that last 30 minutes right there on Monday. So always makes you go, did people know something that other people didn't know? But regardless, that last 30-minute surge definitely was a leading indicator of a very, very impressive movement. So moral of the story here, updates definitely need to be done since the last video I did on Monday. So the first thing I'm going to do is just move this green line up. Yeah, it still pertains all the way down there, but it's just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up. And now we have one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal of them. If say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 30.90. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 30.90, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very, very helpful because when it comes to gauging the strength and health of the move, from here all the way up to where it is here, being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 30.90 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, it's all about that pink line going forward, which on my chart, you know, it's a very well-known and famous 200-period moving average, currently valued at, let's just call it 31.95. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, all in all, very impressive movement today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.